Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Garg and welcome you all on an Academy Catalyst. This is trick 12 of Quant 100 important short tricks, and I am Dipanshu Garg, right? So, first of all, some important announcements. Now, subscribe for Iconic CAT 2021 for CAT preparation, right? These are the benefits of Iconic: personal mentor, test analysis, OMATs preparation, and all benefits of Plus are included, and also get mentored by the graduates from top B schools, right? And these are the learners of CAT 2020 who score more than 99 percentile in CAT. And these are the upcoming batches: 12th of April, 14th of April, and 17th of April. These are the new batches for CAT 2021. And now, join weekly scholarship test on every Sunday, right? And win scholarship up to rupees 55 lakh. So just apply unlock code GURG Live to join this scholarship test on every Sunday. So you have to download Unacademy app and apply this referral code GURG Live to join this scholarship test, right? Unacademy Combat, right? Okay, now remember this code GURG Live for to unlock this free scholarship test. And last 2 days before the price hike, enroll now. And price hike effective from 14th of April. For 12 months this is 17,500. After hike this is 22,500 for plus. And for Iconic, for 1 year 30,000, after hike 39,500. Okay, for 2 year 21,000, after hike 32,800. And if you want to subscribe an Academy Plus, for 2 year 21,000, 1 year 17,500. If you apply this code, so 1 year subscription will be 15,750. 2 year will be 18,900. Now the question of last session, homework question of last session: a trader sells his goods at 20% profit. A trader sells, just like CP of trader is 100x, and now he is selling his goods at 20% profit, so he is selling in 120x. Now had he bought it at 10% more, had he bought it at 10% more, that means he will purchase it in 110x and sold it rupees 70 more, and sale rupees 70 more. The value is given in 70 rupees, right? But the we have in terms of x. So he would have earned a profit of 25%. Now, if he is earning 25% profit, so the 25% profit on what? 110x. So 25% of 110. This is 27.5. Then that means he will sell in 137.5x. So how much increased? How much increased in the selling price? 17.5x. So the value of 17.5x is 70. So how many times? How many times? X equals to what? 4. If the value of x is 4, then the cost price is what? 4 into 100. So this is 400. Right? Clear to everyone? Okay. Now this is trick 12. A solution contains 18% of salt, from which 25 per kilogram water is removed. The quantity of salt remains 24% in that solution. Find the initial quantity of solution. Find the initial quantity of solution. A solution contains 18% salt, right? In both the cases, the quantity of salt remains same because we are removing only water, not salt. So salt in case 1 equals to salt in case 2, because we are removing only water, not salt, right? So I can say that if I let initial quantity of solution, if I let initial is I and the salt is what? 18% of this. Now we have removed it 25 kilogram, so the quantity will be I minus 25. I let the initial quantity is I. Now I have removed 25 kilogram water from that. Now the salt is 24% of this solution. So percentage to percentage cancel out. 18 6 to 3 times and 64 times. Now this is 3i equals to 4i minus 25 into 4 100. Now take this 100 to this side, this is plus 100, and take 3i to this side, 3i minus 4i minus 3i, this is I. So the initial quantity is 100 kilogram. That's a simple one. Initial quantity is 100 kilogram. So the simple way to take the value that is same in both the cases. I know I have removed only water, so salt in both the cases is same. So I have taken the quantity of salt in both the conditions. That's the simple way to solve this type of question. Now the next one. Income of a person is increased by 24%. Just like income of a person is high. Now the income is income plus 2400. टैक्स रेट डिक्रीज बाई 12% टू 10%. कि भाई पहले टैक्स रेट अगर 12% था तो अभी टैक्स रेट कितना हो गया 10%. पेपर टैक्स इज सेम एज बिफोर. So in both the cases he is paying same tax. And what is how to calculate income tax? Income tax equals to what? Income into rate upon 100. Income into rate upon 100 is the simple way to calculate income tax, right? So now in first condition 12% rate, in second condition rate is 20%, and income first I, then in second case income is income plus 2400. If in both condition 20% of the income is tax free, if 20% of the income is tax free, then taxable income is what? 80%. Then taxable income is what? 80%. And in both the condition tax is same, so tax 12%. 12% of the income is tax equals to, in second case tax is what? 10%. So now 80 by 100 in both cancel, 100 to 100 cancel, 2 say 5 times, and now 2 to 6 times. So this is 6i equals to 5i plus 2400 into 5, this is 12,000. So 5i to this side, this is only I equals to 12,000. So the initial income is 12,000, but he is asking current income. Current income is what? 12,000 plus 2,400. So this is 14,400 is the current income. Clear? And now the homework time. This question is for your homework. And one second, sorry, this is the same one, this is the same question, but I am changing in this question. In both the cases, in both condition, 20% and 10% of the income are tax free, right? And paper tax is in the ratio 2:3. Paper tax is in the ratio 2:3. So everyone change this question and tell me the answer in the comment box, right? So, and I will explain this question in the next session. Okay, so thank you everyone. Now subscribe and also like to this channel. Stay notified for the most amazing content on the MBA world, right? So thank you everyone. Bye bye.